Are you still thinking about the career mistake that you made last week, last month, or last year? Or the corporate presentation that you have to make next week, going on and on in your mind in a loop? You are probably overthinking. हुई मुद्दत की गालिब मर गया पर याद आता है वो हर एक बात पर कहना कि यूं होता तो क्या होता. Thinking about the what if problems. Overthinking can basically be of two types: thinking about your past mistakes or worrying about your future. However, we need to be careful that overthinking and problem solving are two different aspects. When you are doing problem solving, you are thinking about a solution. You have a solution oriented approach. You are thinking about the potential solutions that a given problem can have. Whereas when you are overthinking, you are ruminating, you are thinking about the problem at hand. You are trying or you are thinking about things or situations that are out of your locus of control. So, how to find out whether you are overthinking or not? First thing is that you will overanalyze. You will think quite a lot about embarrassing things that you have done in the past. You will be thinking quite a lot about the what if questions. When you think about your past, when you think about the mistake that you have made in the past, when you overanalyze things, these are the situations which will even affect or hinder your sleeping patterns. The good news is that overthinking can be taken care of by psychological or quite a few mental hacks which exist. You can have a mood diary. You can undergo simple psychological tests which talks about or which tries to find out how you look at the world, how you examine the world around you. However, the most important thing is that you need to take care of what goes on in your head. Remember, what you think affects your feelings. So, negative thoughts, negative feelings. Positive thoughts, positive feelings. So, if your thoughts are negative, your feelings are negative, it will have a negative manifestation as far as your physical symptoms are concerned. And that negative manifestation on physical symptoms is going to lead to what? It's going to lead to a negative behavior. So, you want to have a positive behavior? Affect your thoughts. It's a cycle, not a vicious cycle, a beautiful cycle. It depends on you, how you look at it. This is what cognitive behavior therapy tells us. Apart from that, talk therapy helps a lot. Mindfulness is a beautiful way. Meditation is a beautiful way to take care of overthinking. So these are a couple of simple things that you can do to ensure that overthinking doesn't ruin your life. Have a great time, a great life. All the best.